Welcome to the AI Academy. In this module we will explore LlamaIndex. Here, we are going to dive into how to build powerful AI agents using the LlamaIndex toolkit. So, what exactly is LlamaIndex? It is a toolkit designed to help you create AI-driven agents that can work with your data. It does this by using indexes and workflows to structure the way information is processed and retrieved. Now, to really understand how LlamaIndex works, we need to break it down into three main parts: components, agents and tools, and workflows. Let's take a closer look at each. The components are the building blocks of LlamaIndex. They include things like prompts, models, and databases. Components help LlamaIndex connect with other tools and libraries, making it more versatile. The tools are specialized components designed to perform specific tasks, such as searching for information, doing calculations, or interacting with external services. Tools are what give agents their capabilities. The agents are autonomous systems that use tools to make decisions and complete tasks. They are the real brains behind the operation, figuring out what needs to be done and how to do it. The workflows are like, instead of relying on agents to manage everything, workflows provide a structured way to process logic step by step. This helps in organizing decision-making in a clear and efficient manner. What makes LlamaIndex stand out? You might be wondering, what makes LlamaIndex different from other frameworks like LlamaIndex? Well, there are a few key advantages. A clear workflow system, LlamaIndex provides a well-defined way to break down decisions step by step. Using an event-driven and async-first approach, it helps you organize logic more effectively. Advanced document parsing with LlamaParse. LlamaParse is a specialized document parser built for LlamaIndex. It integrates seamlessly, though it is a paid feature. A rich collection of components. Since LlamaIndex has been around for a while, it supports a variety of existing frameworks. It also comes with a wide range of tested and reliable components, such as LLMs, retrievers, and indexes. LlamaHub. This is a registry of hundreds of components, agents, and tools that you can use within LlamaIndex to enhance your AI-powered projects. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in building useful AI agents. In the next sections, we will go over them in more detail. Then, we will put everything into action by creating real-world use cases with Alfred, our AI agent. Exciting, right? So, let's jump in and start setting up our integrations with LlamaHub. Let us now explore the LlamaHub and installing dependencies. The LlamaHub is like a marketplace packed with integrations, agents, and tools that you can use within LlamaIndex. Since we will be working with various integrations throughout this course, let's first take a look at how LlamaHub can help us. Now, before we start building anything, we need to make sure we have all the necessary dependencies installed. So, let's go over how to find and install the components we need. LlamaIndex provides a well-structured installation guide on LlamaHub. At first glance, it might seem like a lot, but don't worry. Most installation commands follow a simple and consistent pattern like pip install LlamaIndex - component type - framework name. Okay, let's try installing the dependencies for an LLM component using the Hugging Face Inference API integration. All we need to do is run the following command. Pip install LlamaIndex LLMs Hugging Face API. Once the installation is complete, we can start using the component. The great thing about LlamaIndex is that the import paths follow the same structure as the installation commands. This makes it easy to remember where everything is. So, in this example we will show how we can use the Hugging Face Inference API to set up an LLM component. Step 1. Importing the necessary module. The first line imports Hugging Face Inference API from LlamaIndex's Hugging Face integration. This allows us to use Hugging Face's powerful models directly within LlamaIndex. In step 2 we are initializing the LLM component. Here, we create an instance of Hugging Face Inference API and configure it with the following parameters. Model_name, we specify the model we want to use. In this case, it's quen/quen 2.5, coder, 32B, instruct, a powerful code generation model. Temperature, this controls randomness in the responses. A lower value, like 0.7, makes the output more predictable, while a higher value increases creativity. Max_tokens, this limits the number of tokens the model can generate in one response. Here, we have set it to 100. Token, this is an authentication token from Hugging Face. You need to replace HF_XXX with your own Hugging Face API token. Important to note that to generate your own token, go to Hugging Face, create a new token, and make sure it has inference access. Then, replace HF_XXX with your actual token. In step 3 we are generating a response. Now, we use the complete method to send a prompt to the model. Here, we ask, "Hello, how are you?" and the model responds accordingly. That was a quick and simple introduction to integrating LlamaIndex with Hugging Face. We covered how to install the necessary components, set up an LLM, and generate responses using the Hugging Face Inference API. In the next lecture, we will dive deeper into LlamaIndex components. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more lessons on AI agents. See you in the next one.